Hello everyone, my name is Rishikesh Bhaiswar and I'm currently into my final year of FPM program at International Management Institute, New Delhi. I'm here to share my experience about the FPM program at International Management Institute, New Delhi. I've joined IMI New Delhi in the year 2018 in the area of marketing. Prior to that, I had my master's from California State University, Northridge in the area of engineering management. And also I had about 3 years of experience working in United States in the area of IT, marketing and retail. My inclination towards academics, interest towards the academic research and passion to pursue my career as an academician motivated me to pursue the FPM program. IMI has been great in terms of its NIRF ranking, its academic research, teaching approaches and infrastructure provided at the institute. My overall journey with IMI has been extremely amazing. My journey has been in two phases. The first phase of my journey was a coursework where we were taught the management subjects and also the research subjects from various expert faculties at this institute. They help us identify the research gap, understand the research paper, provide a comprehensive approach towards contributing in the research domain. And the second phase of my journey has been which I am currently now is into publishing my paper and pursue with my thesis work. So in the last phase of my research, I have been receiving an extremely supportive guidance from my thesis supervisor, from my committee members, head research, management faculties and other admin staff at IMI. IMI has been great in terms of providing opportunities for the conference, national and international doctoral consortiums and various other research activities at this institute. I have approached towards 3 conference and 1 doctoral consortium from the IMI, and the inputs I have obtained from the consortium and the conference has been amazing. So thank you so much.